Good morning guys. So I just finished my workout and that was so hard. I literally woke up today and was like, I do not want to do this today, but I'm so happy I did because every time I finish a workout I'm like, yay, I accomplished something this morning, so I'm very happy about that. But anyways, today I'm going to try and make sourdough. Well, I'm going to make sourdough later on in the week. Today I am making the sourdough startup and I think it's called leaven. So it's literally, I think it is the yeast that is used to make the sourdough. But anyways, I hope you guys find that entertaining. But that is what I'm going to try. I've never made bread before, so hopefully it actually turns out good. I was talking to Danny last night and I was telling him how like to make the leaven you have to mix flour and water and then let it ferment. And as I said that, he was just like, that sounds so disgusting. And now that I think about it, it actually does. But that is how you make sourdough, so yeah. Anyways, then later on at 3 o'clock I am going to my wedding makeup trial. I'm so excited about that and I do not know how it's going to turn out, so I cannot wait for that one. I'll take you guys along with me for my makeup trial and that's basically all I'm doing today. Hopefully it's somewhat entertaining for you. But yeah, I'll do some more research on the leaven and let you guys know about that. I just had a shower because I was feeling so gross after that workout. Yeah, but my grandma was so sweet enough to make me some food, so I'll show you what she made me. It's one of my favourite dishes ever. But yeah, then after I think I might do a face mask because my skin's been feeling really dry and just like bumpy, if that makes sense. But yeah, maybe I might do a scrub before I head off to my makeup trial. For all my Sri Lankans out there, you all know that this is bomb. Now this is called milk rice over here, and then this is like this onion sambal, and then this is called lunamiris, which is like chili and tomato all mashed up all together. It is so spicy, but it is so good, and I am just gonna eat that now and then I'll do my face mask a bit later. I found this face mask. It is, I think it's called Natio Spa. It says it's a detoxifying clay face and body mask. And what is it gonna do? Says it boosts skin's firmness and elasticity. I got there in the end. Purifies and tightens pores while helping to prevent the appearance of blemishes. Okay, so I'm going to be using this one. So I just feel like I need to start looking after my skin a lot better and not just moisturize it, because I feel like that's all I do, I just moisturize it. And sometimes I go to sleep with bio oil, but I need to do more to look after it. Wow, that actually feels so good. It had been 10 minutes and it went so hard, like I literally could not move my face, but I'm very surprised. Like it feels so good straight away after. I mean, my face just feels so fresh. I'm just gonna go and moisturize now with some Vaseline to give it some more hydration. But yeah, I'm very surprised about that because that was very good. I should do that more often. reckon by the time I leave for my makeup trial, all of this moisturiser will have been absorbed into my skin and it won't be as oily as it is right now. Makeup is done. I'm sorry that you guys can't see it just yet. I really want it to be a surprise and I definitely do not want Danny to see it by watching this video, so sorry about that. But Jasmine Lee is so talented. I mean, my skin looks so flawless right now. I'm completely in love with her work. But I did ask for her to do like this kind of smoky eye, and now that it's on me I just feel like it looks too dark and a bit too rough looking for like a bride, and so yeah, I've asked to make that a bit lighter on the day so that my makeup looks more natural more than glam. But yeah, I'm very happy with it. I was very worried before because like the makeup was a big thing that I was picky about, and I kind of just wanted to sit there and just be pampered and not have to worry about anything and just get my makeup done. So I'm very thankful that she is just so good and I can just put my complete trust in her. But just an update on the sourdough starter. It's actually the next day. I didn't end up making it yesterday, but I'm gonna do that now, and I'm just about to go to my garage to get a container or like a jar to put it in. So what I actually found out was that to make that dough starter, you actually need to use like an organic flour. So I'm really hoping we have some in the house. Otherwise I actually have to go to the shop and I feel pretty lazy today. Also, something else that I found out was that the dough starter is actually wild yeast. So there you go. That is what leaven is. I just got this delivered as well. This is something for my wedding. This is like little clear boxes for my bomberies for the wedding. I think it's called bomberies. I never actually know what that word is, but I'm gonna go with that one there. Yeah, I think so I have to assemble all of this now. I think there's like 120 or something. Alright, so we're finally doing the leaven. I went to the shops and got myself some wholemeal plain flour. So this is unbleached, unlike I think normal plain flour. Yeah, so this is my jar here, and I guess I'm going to measure how much the jar actually weighs. Okay, so my jar is 628 grams, and then I have to add 20 grams of this flour and then 20 grams of lukewarm water. Apparently it has to be like mineral water. I just used filtered water from my fridge and then heated it up. Hopefully that's the same thing and it works, but I'm gonna do it now. And then 20 grams of lukewarm water. And then I'm going to mix this all up. And so then it just says to lightly cover it with a loose lid and leave it in a dark place for a day or 12 to 24 hours. So I'm going to do that and hopefully this works, and then I can start feeding it and it can become leaven. Yeah. We are back again with the dough starter. So I've added now 50 milliliters of water and 50 grams of flour and just mix that in. So they said that at this point I should see like a rise and a fall, and that's just the yeast becoming more active. So what I've done is just made a little mark in the glass there so I can see where I started off. And yes, I'm going to keep doing this for 1 week, and hopefully by then my leaven is ready to go and I can start making my sourdough. But yeah, so I think I'm going to end the video here. I hope you guys actually enjoyed watching me just do these random things. And yeah, so if you did, please make sure to like that button so I will keep making more. Please also subscribe, and I hope you guys